Got ignition coils, spark plugs, oil change. Car should be running well. Work on the E today, so I got the DINAN ignition coils. We're gonna install these ignition coils today, these spark plugs, get an oil change, do some maintenance on the E. The ignition coils are pretty sick. Headed over to the wheel shop. Pop sound lovely, at least. We back with the E36, man. We outside today, man, over here at Solo. Do some work on the E today, man. Ignition coils, spark plugs, oil change. You know, the common maintenance stuff, man. I mean, luckily, guys, you know, this car isn't giving me no codes, man. I have no check engine lights, no major issues, no huge oil leaks. Only big leak I have right now is power steering, which I'm fine with. Just throw that right back in every time and keep procrastinating on fixing the actual leak. But today, I might actually be able to get an actual look at that leak. So hopefully we get a good look at it today. But here's the E, guys. I mean, what do y'all think, man? How's it looking today? Drop some comments. My boy Will over here, man. Will, tell the people what's going on with this Porsche.
Everything. Let me not say that because I'm on Solo cameras.
Alright, so we got our little cover off. We got to these coils here, so go ahead and get these coils out, get these spark plug changed. Right now my man Will just popping out these ignition coils, these old ones. One of them just broke in half. Common E36 things. Check out these sick DINAN coils we got. Sick ignition coils, man. Not every day you see an E with these. Getting the new spark plugs up in there. NGKs.
Preset gaps.
Preset gaps on these. Got them blue bitches going in that way. All this music on YouTube gonna fuck me up.
Can't block out the music.
Jesus. Jesus Christ, Will. You started 3 times getting up here.
Hey, it's up here. Low ass car. You can't drive.
Oh.
Low ass car, right side. Will, you got
damn.
me, bro. Back it up.
We just drained our oil out, gang. So now we're about to throw some new oil in and we'll be good on this service day. Got ignition coils, spark plugs, oil change. Car should be running well. I was just under the car, looking underneath the car, noticed that since it's so low, it's scraping up the whole under panel everywhere. There's a little panel that's right below the fuel filter that's actually ripped open, so the fuel filter is exposed. So since that scrape happened, I might need to get that panel, go find that panel and buy it. But good maintenance day, man. E looking fire per usual.
Yeah, so you know how you have good credit. You know what you need to do? No, it got me a turbo here by now. You need to go to rooms to go.
We in the shop with the tacos, man. Stop playing.
Huh? There's the hoodie. Oh yeah, it's all oil. It's not coming off. He don't pick and choose.
Friends of many, friends of none.
Damn, oil filter not trying to come out.
On here.
Tasteful.
So you shot 42 because you throwing on it.
They got this clean E36 M3 up here at the shop. This the owner of the shop, Suki's E36 M3. That shit's clean. It's OEM spec. Thank you guys for tapping on this banger, man. Till next time, man. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, man. It's your boy 6, man. You already know the vibes. Nothing but bangers, man. Let's get it, man. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Let's get it.